Hello friends and welcome to our Sniper Plus video series. This is our second video. In the first video we have discussed about the Sniper Plus installation and the basic configuration. Today in this video we are discussing about the risk management features of the Sniper Plus. Let's get it. This is our Sniper Plus. First you have to click on the symbol and edit so that you can do the editing here. In the trailing type there are 4 types like initial trailing, step trailing and step on target. Here I am going to explain about these 4 things clearly. So first one is initial trailing. Initial trailing is nothing but it is a fixed stop loss. Okay, so click on the initial trailing. Yes, now stop loss let it be 100 and target 1 is 100 and the target 1 quantity is 3. Now click on save. Here we need to take a buy. So click on buy. Go to open order. Here the buy price is 29,454 and the profit is plus 100, that is 29,554, and the loss is minus 100, that is 29,354. Okay. Now next one, that is trailing. In trailing type, when the price goes up, the stop loss also goes up. When price come down, stop loss remain the same. Let stop loss would be same and target 1 is 0, then save. Here the price is 29,570. For every 5 rupees, when the price moves up, the stop loss would also move up for 5 rupees. If the price move up for 10 rupees, then stop loss also move up for 10 rupees. But when price comes down for 100 or 200, the stop loss will remain the same. It won't change. It will remain the same. Let me explain these things with the chart. Okay. Here we need to take a buy first. So come to chart and here open order, click on buy. Now we took a buy. Okay. Now the exit price is 29,198. Okay. When market goes up, the price goes up, will also go up. When price comes down, then the stop loss remain the same. Okay. Let us check it whether it is working or not. Now the price is going up. Stop loss also going upward. Yes. Now price is coming down. Stop loss will never come down and now stop loss got triggered. Next one is steps trailing. Step trailing is as same as trailing, but the difference is in this case if the market price raises, then the stop loss price will raise by the trail amount. Okay, let me explain about this. If the price is going 100 rupees up, then the stop loss will be 100 rupees. When the market price goes 200 rupees, then the trail amount will be, that is stop loss will be 100 rupees. Okay, come to the chart. So click on buy. So we got a buy. Now in open order, we can see the buy at 29,229 rupees. And the loss is 29,069 rupees. Now what we have to do is come to chart and play. Now we can see price is 29,054, 354, 93, 87, 98. When it reached 200, it got changed. Yes, as we mentioned, stop loss is 200. Now here, when the market goes up for 200 points, stop loss will be cost to cost. Now we can see that it is 29,269 and the loss, that is their exit price also 29,269. Now again let us play. Okay, coming up, up, down, coming up. Okay, again it's changed. It is changing for every 200 points. Okay, let us play again. It is moving upward, downward, and yes. Now when market comes down, the stop loss got triggered automatically. The fourth type, that is step on target. Let me explain you with the example. Target 100, target 1 quantity is 3. Here we can change this at the percentage also, like 10%, like that. Let us keep 100 only. The target 1 is 1, target 2 is 200 point, target 2 quantity is 1, and target 3 is 300 point, and target 3 quantity is 1. That we need to match the quantity we earlier mentioned. So quantity 1, quantity 2 is 1, and quantity 3 is 1, totally 3. And the target 1 price is point is 100, 2 is 200, 3 is 300. Now here, imagine if the target 1 is achieved, okay, that is target 1 rupees 100 is achieved, then the stop loss, that price will be cost to cost. If the target 2 is achieved, then the price will move to target 1. When the target 3 is achieved, then the price will be getting closed. Okay. If the price is 0, then target 3 is achieved. Now it will show the target 2. Save. I'll be explaining here so that you can understand clearly. Now the price is 29,069. So first it should be cost to cost. So when target achieve, we need to be like cost to cost. Okay, let us play. Now target 1 is achieved, like it target 1 is now cost to cost. Now target 2 is achieved. Okay, now stop loss is checking for target 3. Now it is moving. Yes, now target 3 got achieved. Okay, all the 3 targets are achieved now. Now come to closed order. Here we can see target 1, target 2, target 3. The first lot we got purchase at target 1, and second lot is target 2, and third lot we got purchase at target 3. Okay, this is all about the risk management features, and you can download the Sniper Plus with the paper trading features from the link provided in the description. And if you have any feedback or queries or suggestion, you can put it in the chat box through the link provided in the description, which will help us in improving the features of the product for the better trading solution. And we are always happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you one and all.